Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ZTE Blade A73. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another one is on top of our screen right there, and that's a phone call speaker, and that will be all of them. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.